Everything you're looking at right now was created with AI. No camera, no actors, just AI tools and a simple workflow. The interesting part, most AI videos don't fail because of the tools. They fail because of how they are made. If you've looked into AI UGC tutorials before, you've probably seen the same issues. The visuals feel off, the voices sound unnatural, and the final result doesn't feel like real content. Today, we're fixing that. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow I use to create AI UGC-style ads for free using AI tools. No expensive subscriptions, no hiring creators, no complicated editing setups, and by the end, you'll know how to build AI-generated ads that are polished, consistent, and ready for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or even client projects. But before we touch any tools, there's one common mistake that instantly makes AI videos look low quality and unnatural. Fix that and your results immediately improve.
Let's build this from scratch. Okay, so first we're gonna head on to Pinterest and search for female influencer. I'm gonna select this image and I'm gonna save it onto my device. So I'm gonna select download image right here. From here, I'm gonna click on allow and then download the image onto my photos. I'm then gonna head on to ChatGPT and then upload this image right here. Once uploaded, I'm gonna give it a prompt, break this down into a JSON prompt. I'm then gonna click on enter, then it's going to break down the whole thing into a JSON prompt. From here, we're going to create an image with this JSON prompt and we're going to head on to this website. And here you can get free credits right here. I'm then going to click on start creating, and this is my workspace. I'm then going to select my agent to be Nano Banana Pro and then set the quality to 4K and then ratio to 9:16. From here, I'm then going to go back to ChatGPT and then copy my JSON prompt. I'm then going to paste it right here and then click on next. The agent on this website accepts the prompt and then builds it for me. By the way, I'm then going to leave a link to this website in the description. So this is what we generated. This is super realistic. It looks good, but we are not done yet because this isn't the final result. We need to convert this into an image. So we're going to go to an e-commerce website, and here I'm then going to select some few products, and the first one is Spectacle. I'm going to take a screenshot and then save it onto my device. I'm then going to do the same for this product as well. And now we have the product on our device. And then this is our avatar. Let me zoom in and you can see how you can never see if this is was generated with AI. So here I have these two products and I'm going to import the product on ChatGPT. Right. So I'm going to select the product and the Spectacle, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT a simple prompt. I need the person to wear the Spectacle and hold the product in a UG style and environment. I need you to write a JSON prompt for me. Do not create an image for me. The reason why I asked ChatGPT not to create an image because sometimes it does create an image on its own. So that is the JSON prompt. I'm then going to copy the prompt and head on to the website. Right here, I'm then going to click on plus and select upload. I'm then going to upload these two products that we took screenshots of from the e-commerce website. So I've imported the product and I'm going to arrange it well. Now I am then going to click on plus again and import an image. From here, I'm then going to draw lines from the main avatar we generated to the product and from the avatar to the image that we just imported. So from here, I'm then going to also draw lines from the products to the blank image right there. And so you could see when I put the cursor on them, it's showing lines, dotted lines to the blank canvas over there. So I'm going to click on the blank canvas, and right here, I'm then going to paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT for the products. So from here, I'm then going to click on settings and set the ratio 9:16, set the resolution to 4K for the best quality. And I'm going to click on next. To save credit, I just want one generation. I don't want two. So the AI to generate this, and this is super realistic. I want you to hang around so that you see what we do in the next prompting. So right from here, I'm then going to download this image and give it to ChatGPT again. to actually give us a prompt. All right, so you can see I've linked everything together, and if you follow this tutorial carefully, now I give ChatGPT a prompt. Now I need a 10-second image to video prompt of her talking about the product with natural movement and accurate lip syncs. And these prompting, they are not complex, they are very simple. You can follow up and then write it on your own. Now I'm going to copy the prompt, and then from here I'm then going to import a new video. I'm going to set the ratio to 9:16 and draw a line from the image to the video. I'm then going to paste in the prompt we copied from GPT and make some settings here. We're going to set ratio to 9:16 and set duration to 10 seconds. Okay, so from here, I'm then going to click on enter and our video is being generated. Let's take a look at the final results. Have you noticed the difference? The facial expression feels natural and the lighting is more believable and the movement doesn't even scream AI anymore.
I've been using the Jeffany Coconut Oil 6-in-1 cream, and my skin feels so soft and hydrated. I really love how lightweight it is, and it leaves my skin looking healthy and glowing.
And that's exactly how I create AI UGC ads that look real without spending money. The best part is that these AI tools are improving almost every month. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe because every week I test the newest AI tools and show you the best free workflows before everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.